Here we are on a caravan site over in North Wales this morning, installing a Starlink on a caravan for a customer. You can't get the overhang with a single bracket as it just would not hold. So here we've opted for two 6x6 galvanised brackets, a nice swan neck pole, our own mounts, total clear line of sight, wired down behind his downspout, underneath his caravan and up to the centre of his caravan for the best coverage. Customer was getting next to no Wi-Fi that was being fed from the clubhouse right across the way. He's now receiving speeds of over 200 megabytes per second all throughout his caravan. Nice solid fixings. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.